Hello, I'm here with another do-it-yourself water fountain and it's easy and doable. So these are the things you need. You don't have to use the same design as we did. Just understand the technique and be as creative as you would like to. Okay, let's start. Take the container and place the motor inside and fix the PVC pipe to the motor. Cut a thermocol into the shape of semicircle but slightly smaller. Make hole to insert the pipe. Cut 3 more in similar shape but slightly smaller to the previous ones. Place them on top of each other. This is to create an illusion of stairs. We place smaller thermocol pieces around to create a cave-like formation. Next, we added a thin layer of white cement to all the thermocol layers. For a stronger hold, place roller bandage to all the sections and cover it with another layer of white cement. Paint the entire thermocol section with black acrylic. We brushed off the bronze metallic color to give it a dimension. Then, add in the pebbles, stones, plants, shells or any decorative items in the container and around the stairs. We added LED lights at the underside of the cave and around the rim of the container. Once ready, add water and there it is, your very own DIY water fountain. Hope this inspires you to make your own water fountain that you can proudly display at home and also enjoy the calmness that brings along. Until next time, see ya!